This video will explain the importance of firewall settings in the activation of your 5G Cell Booster Pro, as well as where to find detailed information about the required settings. To begin with, you may need to update your firewall settings to allow cellular data to pass to or from a specific set of IP addresses via your Cell Booster Pro. You'll know this is the case if your device displays a solid or flashing orange light on the Internet LED. To know what changes need to be made, please refer to the 5G Cell Booster Pro product guide, which is available for download on the AT&T Cell Booster Pro webpage. The guide provides a detailed list of IP addresses that your firewall must allow to transmit a cellular signal through your Cell Booster Pro. Please keep in mind that you may need to work with your own IT or network experts to change the firewall settings, as AT&T's technical support team is unable to do this for you. However, if you need any further help setting up your device or troubleshooting issues, you can call our technical support team at 877-996-7017. And thank you for being an AT&T customer.